Introducing the OnePlus Nord 6, the ultimate all-rounder. It delivers the segment's first 165 FPS gaming experience and a massive 9,000 mAh battery for over 2.5 days of power. The Nord 6 is the complete package. It includes the device in fresh mint, an 80W Super VOOC charger with our signature red cable, and a color-matched custom protective case. The OnePlus Nord 6 is built on 3 massive upgrades: extreme endurance, elite performance, and unbreakable durability. Pillar 1 is extreme endurance. The 9,000 mAh silicon carbon battery gives you 2.5 days of power, with 26.9 hours of YouTube playback and 27W reverse charging utility. The 80W charger refills the battery rapidly. Pillar 2 is elite processing. 3 elite chips eliminate lag: the custom touch reflex chip, the Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 main processor, and the dedicated Wi-Fi booster chip work in synergy. Experience pro-level gaming with a 165 times per second screen refresh rate. The system sustains 165 FPS in AAA titles like BGMI and Call of Duty Mobile, while engineering prevents thermal throttling. The custom G2 Wi-Fi chip ensures uninterrupted connectivity. The phone supports 5G Advanced, utilizes Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6.0, and includes NFC and an IR blaster. Pillar 3 is unbreakable durability. The Nord 6 resists high-pressure water with advanced IP6 9K and MIL STD 810H certifications, surpassing standard IP66 and IP68 protection. The Sunburst display uses an AMOLED screen that hits 3,600 nits. You get a 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution canvas, a 165 Hz refresh rate, 3,840 Hz PWM dimming for comfort, and a Crystal Guard glass shield. Capture perfect low-light photos with precision optics. The primary camera is a 50-megapixel Sony LYTIA A600 with dual-axis OIS. It also features an 8MP ultra-wide lens and a 32-megapixels multi-focus selfie camera. The Nord 6 is powered by OnePlus AI, integrated with Google Gemini. The AI suite includes productivity features like Circle to Search, AI Summarize, and Ghostwriter, and photography tools like AI Portrait Glow. Engineered for the long haul, we support this phone for 6 years, with 4 years of major OS updates and 6 years of security patches. The 217-gram polycarbonate chassis is designed to prevent gaming fatigue. The OnePlus Nord 6 is the ultimate synthesis of flagship power. You get elite Snapdragon performance, 165 FPS AAA gaming, 9,000 mAh endurance, and 50 megapixels Sony optics, compromising on nothing. We offer unbeatable value with 2 models. The performance tier has 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage, and the elite tier offers 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. Check the effective prices with bank offers for your perfect fit. The OnePlus Nord 6 is available in fresh mint, holographic quicksilver, and pitch black. Experience the Nord 6 today and take your gaming to the next level.